Get ready to fall in love with adventure. At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, our 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend 4x4 is built to handle whatever life throws your way. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of Fredericton, trekking through muddy trails, or enjoying a serene drive to the cabin, this SUV is as versatile as your lifestyle. Highlights: unstoppable performance. Rugged 4x4 capability keeps you confident on gravel roads, in rainstorms, or through snowy New Brunswick winters. Everyday comfort, heated front seats, remote start, and a roomy interior make every drive cozy and enjoyable, whether it's a quick grocery run or a weekend escape. Smart safety features, blind spot, information system, rear park assist, and a rear view camera add peace of mind throughout your journeys. Modern tech, intuitive touchscreen infotainment, smartphone connectivity, and USB charging keep you informed, entertained, and charged on the go. Why it stands out. With our 12-month huggable guarantee, balance of factory warranty, and exclusive extras like a full tank of gas, a spin on our spin to win wheel, and a free Carfax, driving away feels like a hug you didn't know you needed. Adventure starts now.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug